Freelance writing. Freelance writing is an online side hustle where individuals create written content for businesses, websites, creators, and organizations. Common projects include blog articles, website pages, email newsletters, product descriptions, scripts, and marketing materials. The biggest advantage is the low startup cost, because a computer and internet connection are often enough to begin. Writers can specialize in areas such as technology, finance, health, education, or travel, allowing them to charge higher rates as their expertise grows. Clients are found through freelance platforms, networking, social media, and direct outreach. Strong research skills, clear communication, and reliability are essential for long-term success. Many freelancers eventually build recurring client relationships that provide stable monthly income and can grow into a full-time business. Graphic design. Graphic design involves creating visual assets that help businesses communicate ideas and strengthen their brands. Designers produce logos, advertisements, social media graphics, packaging, presentations, website visuals, and promotional materials. This side hustle combines creativity with problem solving because every design must look attractive while achieving a specific objective. Modern software and online tools have made it easier to learn design skills, but successful designers also understand color theory, typography, branding, and visual hierarchy. Clients range from local businesses and startups to large companies and content creators. A strong portfolio is often more important than formal qualifications. As designers gain experience, they can specialize in branding, user interface design, motion graphics, or advertising, increasing both demand and earning potential. Video editing. Video editing is one of the fastest-growing online side hustles because businesses and creators constantly need engaging video content. Editors transform raw footage into polished videos by trimming clips, improving pacing, adding music, creating transitions, correcting colors, and enhancing audio quality. Opportunities exist across YouTube, social media, online education, advertising, and corporate communications. Skilled editors understand storytelling and audience retention, helping videos maintain viewer attention from beginning to end. Many clients prefer outsourcing editing because it is time-consuming and requires technical knowledge. Beginners can start with simple projects and gradually move into higher-paying niches such as commercial editing, documentaries, gaming content, or short-form social media videos designed for rapid audience growth. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistance involves providing remote administrative support to entrepreneurs, executives, businesses, and online creators. Typical responsibilities include managing emails, scheduling meetings, organizing files, conducting research, handling customer inquiries, updating databases, and coordinating projects. The work is attractive because it can be performed from almost anywhere and usually requires minimal startup investment. Strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and professional communication are highly valued. Some virtual assistants expand into specialized services such as bookkeeping, project management, customer support, or social media administration. As trust develops, clients often delegate more important responsibilities, leading to higher income opportunities. Many successful virtual assistants eventually manage teams or launch agencies that serve multiple businesses. Social media management. Social media management focuses on helping brands build audiences and engage customers through platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, and X. Managers create content calendars, write captions, design posts, schedule publications, monitor performance, and respond to audience interactions. Businesses rely on social media to increase visibility and attract customers, creating strong demand for skilled managers. Understanding platform algorithms, content trends, analytics, and audience behavior is essential. Results are often measured through engagement, reach, follower growth, and conversions. Experienced managers frequently combine strategy with content creation services, allowing them to charge premium rates. This side hustle can evolve into a marketing consultancy or a full-service digital agency over time. Online tutoring. Online tutoring allows individuals to teach academic subjects, languages, professional skills, or specialized knowledge through digital platforms and video calls. Tutors work with students of different ages, helping them improve understanding, prepare for exams, or develop practical abilities. Popular subjects include mathematics, science, English, programming, and foreign languages. One major advantage is that tutors can monetize knowledge they already possess without creating physical products. Effective tutors simplify complex concepts, adapt lessons to individual needs, and maintain student motivation. Income often increases through positive reviews, referrals, and niche expertise. Some tutors expand into group classes, subscription communities, or educational content businesses that generate revenue beyond one-on-one sessions. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model where individuals earn commissions by recommending products or services through unique referral links. When someone purchases through the link, the affiliate receives a percentage of the sale. Affiliates commonly use blogs, YouTube channels, email newsletters, social media accounts, and niche websites to reach audiences. Success depends heavily on trust because audiences are more likely to follow recommendations from credible sources. Many affiliates focus on specific industries such as technology, personal finance, fitness, software, or travel. Print on demand. Print on demand is an e-commerce model where custom-designed products are produced only after a customer places an order. Popular items include t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, phone cases, notebooks, and accessories. Because inventory is not purchased in advance, financial risk is significantly lower than traditional retail businesses. Entrepreneurs focus primarily on creating designs, researching trends, and marketing products. Production, shipping, and fulfillment are typically handled by third-party suppliers. Success often comes from targeting specific audiences and creating designs that resonate with their interests. Strong branding and effective marketing can transform a small print-on-demand store into a recognizable online business. The model is especially attractive to creative individuals seeking flexible income opportunities. Selling digital products. Selling digital products involves creating downloadable resources that customers can purchase repeatedly without additional manufacturing costs. Examples include ebooks, templates, spreadsheets, planners, stock photos, guides, software tools, and educational resources. Once created, a digital product can be sold thousands of times, making the model highly scalable. Success depends on solving real problems or delivering clear value to a target audience. Creators often use websites, marketplaces, social media, and email marketing to attract buyers. Because there are no shipping requirements, profit margins can be very high compared to physical products. Many entrepreneurs combine multiple digital products into larger ecosystems that generate recurring revenue and strengthen their personal brands.